why the Visayas and Mindanao are almost nowhere, because they could not see any representative.
Well, may mga, actually, ginagawa naman yan dati. Sa committee. But the problem is the feeling of something.
The problem with okay lang yan sa simula. I expected yan. The problem with Reverend Nicky is so much polarized. He makes his judgment, his opinion. Everybody knows that he is with this group and so forth. That's the problem when you are a judge secretary who is polarized. As a judge secretary, you must not side in group. You must be the president of all.
Tama yan. Maganda pa nakawala sana. In fact, nag-express na yung si Reverend J.M. King. Sabi nito, actually, he is inviting me.
Very good.
So ngayon, but the problem is, hindi lang yung pag-i-open na uli ngayon, but some other trouble we have, no? Hindi madali. For example, yung travel expenses, pero kung minsan, hindi madali yan.
Kaya nga will bring this meeting on, not them coming to us.
Kaya ito sabi ninyo, kasi ko, kanya-kanyang bulsa, papayag pa. Actually, mayroong invitation sa akin from English na ngayon sa Davao. No? Pero since may mga tao naman tayo, sabi ko, instead na ako, pupunta doon, flying Florida, ginawa, basta yung moderator. Sabi ko, ikaw na mag-represent. So, we'll just require you to report. Para sa kasi sa mga nag-take na budget na itinuturo ng taga-English o ang kapatid. So, napakahalaga yun. Yung hindi ko na kailangan, hindi na ako kakasal. Kapulagan, kailangan pa. So, i-require natin si Pastor Giluca na siyang mag-ikot dito. So, willing naman at kasi maganda ka na ako sa yung represent ng denomination.